Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. My poor sister was sad, and I said to myself, Self, what would make your sister smile? A new outfit for her porch goose? And I was correct. And who wouldn't smile with this adorable outfit from Bylor? This porch goose hula outfit comes with a hula skirt, a lei, and a bikini top. I was impressed by how well all of this was made. All three items in the set are strong, the stitching is secure, and they're made from stretchy elastic to easily dress and undress your goose. I love the bright colors and the attention to detail in this outfit. The leaf design on the skirt looks like real leaves. The skirt leaves are made from a plastic material to withstand the summer heat and sun. I also love that it won't fall apart in the wind and the rain. And if the skirt is a little long for your goose, you can easily trim up those leaves for a better fit. This outfit will definitely add some fun to your next luau or pool party. So if your sister's feeling sad and could use a pick-me-up, then this porch goose outfit will definitely do the trick. And that's my point of view.